Okay, I'm sure you've probably spent hours looking at technical reviews on YouTube, comparing battery life and checking the warranty terms when you went to buy a new phone, maybe because you didn't want a single expensive mistake to ruin your experience. But when it comes to health insurance, which is literally the only thing standing between your hard-earned savings and a massive medical bill, most people just pick whatever plan their bank manager or relative or agent casually recommends. Today, folks, let's fix that by breaking down the ultimate step-by-step strategy to buy the right health insurance policy in an easy way. And yes, using this checklist, you can buy health insurance from anywhere, not even necessarily through us. Hello, folks, I'm Shashank. You're watching Ditto Insurance. Help us reach a max number of people by subscribing to us. It's the simplest way. Thank you for supporting our mission and helping us grow this community. First, your absolute priority when buying a policy is to make sure that you do not pay out of your own pocket during a hospital admission. This means checking 3 non-negotiables before you sign anything. Ensure your policy has absolutely no copay, meaning that you don't agree to split a fixed percentage of the hospital bill with the insurance company. Next, look for a policy with no room rent limits to completely avoid proportional deductions that slice down your entire bill if you end up upgrading your room. Finally, ensure that there are no disease-wise sublimits which cap how much the insurer will pay for common treatments like cataract or hernia surgeries. Next, you need to ensure that you're locking in enough core coverage to act as a realistic financial shield against modern medical inflation. As a thumb rule, if you live in a tier 1 metro city, you should ideally start with a 15 or 25 lakh cover. If you're based in tier 2 or 3 city, starting with a baseline of 10 to 15 lakh will give your family a higher dependable security blanket. Now, once your base cover is set, you want a plan that allows your cover to grow over time using bonus and keep getting refilled with restoration features. Look closely at how the plan rewards you for claim-free years through a cumulative bonus, which increases your total available cover without charging you a single extra rupee in premium. Similarly, make sure the policy includes a robust unlimited restoration benefit. This feature automatically refills your entire sum insured within the same policy year if your coverage gets partially or completely exhausted during a tough medical event, ensuring you never run out of protection. Next, look out for a few good-to-have features that round off a premium checklist. You should ideally aim for a policy that gives you a minimum of 60 pre-hospitalization and 90 days of post-hospitalization coverage to clearly take care of diagnostic tests, doctor consultation, and pharmacy bills. Additionally, make sure the policy includes a consumables or non-medical expenses cover. This specific benefit covers everyday items like gloves, masks, syringes, PPE kits, which can easily form up to 15% of your total bill, but are completely ignored by standard basic policies. We made a quick checklist to cover other important features. You can pause and take a screenshot of this. Now, before we look at how to evaluate the insurance companies themselves, let me drop a quick reminder that at Ditto, we provide complete, honest, and unbiased advice along with free claim support for life. Our advisors are all IDI certified and our consultation calls are entirely free. The link to book a relaxed slot with our team is right down in the description below. Okay, now how do you actually choose the right insurer? You have to look past the heavy marketing and audit their operational track record using a strict checklist. Check their claim settlement ratio or CSR to see the percentage of claims they successfully honor alongside their incurred claim ratio or ICR, which indicates their long-term financial health. Most importantly, look at their customer complaint volume per 10,000 claims to measure real-world administrative friction, evaluate their overall business volume and track record, and verify the exact number of active network hospitals that they partner with directly in your specific city to ensure a smooth cashless experience. You can see the basic cutoffs on your screen. You can pause and take a look. Now, while knowing this checklist is easy, filtering through dozens of plans to find the right one that fits your exact medical history is where the real nightmare begins. This is exactly why we built a streamlined, human-centric purchase process at Ditto to take the anxiety out of buying insurance. The purchase process is pretty simple and straightforward, and it just takes 3 steps. First, you head to the link in the description, which will take you to our website, and you input your basic contact details. Second, instead of dealing with automated bots or getting spammed with 50 phone calls in a day, you get a specific time slot to speak directly with an IDI certified advisor that you choose. During this relaxed, free call, the advisor will carefully analyze your family's medical background, check your local hospital network, and filter out the top 2 or 3 plans that actually fit your profile. Finally, Once you make a decision, we will help you fill out the application accurately, guide you through any necessary medical declarations, and anchor your policy smoothly. The best part is that our relationship doesn't end there, as our team stands by you as a dedicated claim support partner whenever you face an actual hospitalization. Ultimately, the goal is to make sure that your health cover actually works when it matters the most. If you want to experience this spam-free way of protecting your family, click the link in the description below and book your free slot today. Until next time, folks, happy insurance hunting.